Hi guys, it's Marla. I want to talk to you about something that's been on my mind as we enter year 7 of our pastel painting journey together. You know, when I started these lessons 7 years ago, I had a vision, not just to teach techniques. Anyone can do that. I wanted to create a path, a real journey from those first tentative marks to where you find your own voice as an artist. If you've been with me for a bit, you've felt this progression. For the first 5 years, we built your skills. We learned how to see, how to work with color, how to capture light. We built your foundation stone by stone. Then last year in year 6, we explored the timeless principles, those big ideas that never change no matter what it is that you're painting. But this year, year 7 is different. This is where it all comes together. This is where you stop painting like someone else and start painting like you. I've watched so many of you guys reach that frustrating place where you're technically competent. You can paint what you see, but something's missing. Your work looks good, but it doesn't feel like yours. Hey, I have been there. I remember staring at my own paintings and thinking, this looks just like a copy of the reference photo. And that's why every single month this year is designed to help you find your voice. So when we study shadows in month 3, we're not just learning techniques. We're discovering how you use shadows to create mood. When we explore minimalism, it's about finding what you need to say, not what you think you should include. But here's what I'm really most excited about. In year 7, it's really about decisions, creative confidence. Because finding your voice isn't about learning new techniques. It's about trusting yourself to make choices. When do you stop? Well, not when the textbook says, but when your painting says it's done. How much detail? Not what the photo shows, but what your vision needs. Which colors? Not what's correct, but what speaks in your language. Every month this year answers these questions, not with rules, but with permission. Permission to trust your instincts, to embrace what enchants you, to paint what takes your breath away, even if it breaks the rules. I designed year 7 for that moment when you step back from your easel and think, yes, this is mine. No one else could have painted that. And that's not ego talking. That's your artistic voice finally singing. So whether you've been with me since year 1 or you're just joining us, this is your year. Because mastery isn't about perfection. It's about painting with such personal conviction that your work becomes unmistakably, beautifully, courageously yours.